up in a capsule glow, high above the game below. Friends from teenage years still grin, daring me to dive back in. To the oldest game they cry, the one no sane soul survives. A forbidden run through dust and time, one brief play there, one whole life, the game inside. Remember neon rain, the taste of something not quite pain, a feeling borrowed, not my own, emotion sampled, mass-produced on loan. They said the city never sleeps, but cities don't, the program keeps. The lights, the crowds, the diesel haze, all rendered fresh for empty days. I've seen the edge where textures end, where sky meets sky and